Hey! Today, we're looking into something every fintech or digital banking app needs: a seamless send money screen. With the Ionic Design Kit, putting one together is way easier than you'd think. Let's get started. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the layout, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. Don't worry about keeping up. Pause and rewind whenever you need to. We'll take it one step at a time. Now, the send money screen isn't just another form. It's where users make quick, secure transfers to people they trust, friends, family, even coworkers. And the smoother the experience, the more likely they are to keep using your app. Here's the beauty of using the Ionic Design Kit. It's loaded with elements like contact lists, avatars, input fields, and all the UI bits you need, already styled and functional. No need to build components from scratch or figure out spacing or alignment, it's all handled. And if you're working with a developer, they'll be glad to know everything syncs perfectly with the Ionic framework, so it's not just easy on the eyes, it's ready to go live without extra coding. All the visual assets and code examples, you'll find them linked on our site whenever you need them. Want to save time and build high-impact screens without slowing down your workflow? Try the Ionic Design Kit, where great design meets practical development. Thanks for following along. If this walkthrough made your process smoother, give us a like, share the video with your team, and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.